So this may bring a drastic change to the entire Samsung Galaxy iteration. There are some rumors about the 3.5mm headphone jack removal on the Galaxy S10, which is again supported by a new leak. Although the leak doesn't show S10, but we have the Samsung W 2019 model without a headphone jack at the top or bottom. This is for the first time when Samsung did this, and also if you believe this report, then I don't think you should, because the W series by Samsung is totally covering a different market compared to that of other Samsung phones. So there are no chances for Samsung to ditch a headphone jack in 2019 at least. But the S10 will surely ditch an identifying unlock feature. According to South Korean publication ET News, Samsung will rely solely on a Qualcomm-based in-display fingerprint scanner. This means that the company will ditch their so-called iris scanner on the upcoming Galaxy S10. The sensor required for this feature accommodates a lot of space, which is not there on the S10. That's because the company is working on hole-in-display tech and they cannot put everything inside that small hole. They may put this feature again when the UPD tech is ready to use, but we are not gonna see an iris scanner on the Galaxy S10. This report is confirmed by Ice Universe, and according to him, the ultrasonic fingerprint is the only reason Samsung took this step. He further said that compared to optical fingerprint sensors, the S10 ultrasonic fingerprint sensor is faster and has a larger recognition area with 30% of the screen occupancy. This sounds like something near to the Vivo Apex fingerprint tech, where we get a huge fingerprint unlock area, and if this is gonna make its debut with the S10, it's dope. I mean, you'll not have to remember or spot that small fingerprint area. Instead, you'll be the king of all in-display unlock sensors. This technology will also remain Samsung's exclusive for at least half of the year 2019, so we will see a true beast by Samsung. But what do you think? Did Samsung take a wrong step by kicking out the iris scanner, as we'll see smartphones with 3D face unlock and ultrasonic sensors in 2019? Tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.